Ariel, so this quarter we read those 2 books in the Tito Doc series.
Lagot baka may lepto sa baha. Beware, lepto lurks in the flood. And ningi ang kate-kate ng ulo ko. Ningi, my head's so itchy. Why would...
Ni, yeah, tama. Okay.
You know Filipino terms.
Okay. What did you learn about leptospirosis?
Leptospirosis happens like when what's that creature again? I forgot. Wait lang.
Yan, yung nasa harap, anak. Anong pictures niyan?
I missed the page. Rats. Rats that have lepto is leptospirosis, but I'll just call it lepto for short. But rats that have lepto, and when it floods, like they can pee in it also. And if you wade in it, you might get and like have a wound or anything, and then it will get in, and you will become sick.
If you get to the flood infected with leptospirosis, but you don't have any wound, will you still get it? Okay. So, what are the symptoms of leptospirosis? How would you know if you got it?
Let's see.
You don't remember the symptoms? What was Janet
Feverish
and her mom feeling?
Feverish. Muscle ache.
Muscle ache.
Is muscle ache even a thing? It's muscle cramp.
No, muscle ache.
Okay, headache. Is there tummy ache? Yeah, that's all I remember.
Okay, there's one more. Think. Ano pa? Yeah, so it's fever, lagnat, muscle ache. There's also one. What happened to their eyes?
Becomes red.
So why do you have to go to the hospital, and when you have lepto, why can't you just stay at home and heal at home?
Because it's not going to heal by itself. The microbes that get in will like break the things that alert your body.
It's caused by a bacteria. Leptospirosis is caused by a bacteria. Okay, and bacteria don't just die easily with medication, unlike virus. What do you take when you have viral infection?
Medications?
What, you remember the medication the doctors gave you before? Which you have to take 3 times a day, every 8 hours. It's called antibiotics. Yes. Okay, so you have to go to the hospital as soon as possible because it can make your liver, kidney, and even brain infected. It can damage, leptospirosis can damage your liver and kidney and even your brain. Okay, it can also cause yellowish skin and then dark pee and light colored poo.
It's like the opposite now. Instead of pee being light and poop being dark.
Yeah. And then your pee will be very few. And then you will have extreme headaches. So that's what happens when you have...
People doesn't know. You have to learn as soon as possible.
Okay, how about that?
I don't even know if they, like someone who doesn't know the damage, like, you know, whatever the lepto is.
How about that one? How about that one?
There's lice in the head. I'll show you what the lice looks like. This is what the lice looks like in the book.
Do you remember what lice is in Tagalog?
Lice in Tagalog? Kuto.
Tama.
And one of the lice in here is called kakeki kuto.
Yeah.
If the kuto if it was kuko to be lice instead of kuto, it would have been the whole thing. Kakeki kuto.
Yeah.
Kuko.
So how can you avoid getting lice?
You can avoid it by not borrowing anyone's hairbrush. Even though they don't have it, it's just to be safe. And don't wear the same hats.
Or anything that you put in your hair, right?
Yeah.
What if you already have lice? How can you get rid of it?
You can use special shampoo that you have to leave on for, I don't know, like 10 minutes. Wait.
Yeah, usually 10 minutes. What else?
You can like use the suyod to get the lice out of your hair.
The lice comb, yes. And what share the time wherein you and your siblings got lice in your head. What did we do?
Like all of us had lice back then. Like we had a tita that had lice and she didn't want to remove it. And then all of us got lice. It was very, very itchy. She did, even if you tell her to put on Tuto shampoo, she won't put it on properly.
So what did we do?
The ate in this book, I thought it was the pink one. Like, I thought the ate was the one, the yaya. I thought it was this one, but it's this one. She said, "Oh, ate, it's just lice."
She thought it's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
Okay, so what did we do to remove the infestation in our house? So besides using the lice shampoo, the suyod or the lice comb, which we all did at the same time to make sure that no kuto survives in anyone's head. So everybody had to use the shampoo, the suyod. We also had to change the
bed sheets, so like because lice might be lurking in the pillows.
So every time we had to use the shampoo, we had to also change the sheets to make sure that nothing will stay or escape, so that we can get rid of it fast, and it always works.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Brielle.
Bye.